Hello. Welcome back to my channel. I am the Brown Canvas, and if you have been here before, I'd like to welcome you back. And if this is your very first time, hello, thank you so much for stopping in. And if you happen to enjoy today's video or just any of the other videos that are on my channel, then please be sure to go ahead and hit that wonderful subscribe button. Let's chat for a little bit, y'all. How y'all feeling? We are about to close out of 2020, and it has definitely been a year of clarity, right? Where in the hell have I been? I got fatigued from recording. I got fatigued from editing. You know, it's just all a lot. Sometimes you really just have to give yourself a break. So that's kind of where I was at with it. Just kind of was feeling uninspired, needed a break, needed a fresh start, and so here I am. First things first, happy holidays, because the last time I was here was Halloween. So happy holidays to you all, and whatever your holiday season looks like this year, I hope that you are able to find some joy, find some peace, and just make the best of it. As you can see also, I decided to shave my head bald. And I know it's like, well, bitch, weren't you bald already? I was bald, but I've decided to stop bleaching it. I was like, you know what? I just want a fresh start. So I just zapped it off. Let me show y'all right quick. Can y'all see that? Yes. So yeah, that felt really good. Fast forwarding, today's look is actually going to be a holiday themed inspired look. So think, you know, you're going to the holiday party, which that's probably, there's not many holiday parties this year. It's like this year is just so unique, one of a kind. But I am done rambling on. I'll probably just do a voiceover for this. So let's go ahead and let's get started. All right, beautiful people, let's go ahead and let's get started. Of course, my face has been prepped and moisturized. Gotta rub the head. I don't know why. But let's go ahead and apply our foundation. Sorry that it's so blurry, but this is the Juvia's Place Velvety Matte Foundation, and the color is an Angola. And I'm using my Real Techniques small foundation brush just to distribute that onto the skin. Get it nice and even. And then I'm just gonna go in with my Revolution concealer, and I'll leave all of the colors and the product info down below. Just really evening out those areas, especially underneath my eyes. And then I'm gonna go in with this Stila cream concealer, and the shade is in Tan 1. And as you can see, I went ahead and I was applying the concealer with a brush, and then I just decided to use the actual applicator. The brush was just a lot more, the applicator was just a lot more saturated. All right, so I'm gonna do a little bit of contouring, and this is my favoriteest thing to use, you guys. And this is the William Tuttle Cream Foundation. So bomb, go get it. And as you can see, I'm just taking a small buffering brush and just working that into the skin. And then I'm going in with a very dense blending brush right here. Well, foundation brush really. And as you can see, I'm just taking a small stippling brush just to blend the contour as well as the concealer that I laid down there before. Blend, 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 baby. Okay, so we're just blending that out, blending those two together, buffing it out. And then just to really give a smooth transition, I'm using the stippling brush. Gotta get that jawline. Of course, chisel it out. And the perimeter of the face. Okay, I'm going in with this Urban Decay Velvetizer loose powder, and you can use this actually to mix it into your foundation or just lightly fluff it over the skin. And of course, I'm doing a little bit of contouring of the nose, snatching it up a little bit right there. And this is the Black Radiance palette, getting my cheekbones as well as the perimeter of my face. And I'm going to go in with this Anastasia loose powder. Love this stuff, you guys. It just really helps to set your makeup. Doesn't necessarily highlight to give that pop, but it really does help to set it very well. And as you can see, I'm just going back in and adding a little bit more definition for that contour. And let's go ahead and get these brows together, honey, using the Revolution brow pencil and just using some concealer from Revolution as well. And this brush that I got is from Walmart, y'all, but it's so perfect. It's just a little cheap painting brush. All right, blending that out, setting that. We don't want runny brows, right? Okay, and this is the P. Louise base. This is the lightest shade that they have. I'm just applying that very liberally onto my lid space and then just buffing it out, bringing it all the way up. And for some eyeshadows, going to be using all Revolution palettes again. And I'm just using this brown just to warm up the lid space. And then in the pocket of my brow bone, I'm laying this color down. Okay, so for the actual lid, I'm using this champagne, looks like a champagne color. Laying that down, as you can see. Going into my waterline with a black gel pencil. As you can see, just buffing out that loose powder. Of course, you got to set the face. Do a little bit of blush, my favorite Film Noir from MAC. I've had this for years. I love it. Do a little bit of setting spray, of course. And there you have it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this look. I was unable to get my lip application, but I'll leave those details for you. Take care, you guys, and have a happy holiday.